Okay, Miss Zhu. And because today is my baseline video, so my mentor, Miss Zhu, will be my student. And I assume that there are 3 students in my classroom. And one, his name is Jim. He is the low performance student. And the other one, her name is Jenny. She is kind of the gifted student. And the third one is Beverly. She is just the normal student. And as the standard one is learner development, so I plan to pay more attention to student growth and their development. Like Jim, he always answered the questions wrong during the assessment. So I try my best to encourage him to tell more and speak more. Like in my video, the last question, Jimmy answered correctly. So I encouraged him very well. And he showed a lot of development comparing to his performance in the before. That is my plan. I don't know if I do that good or not. I like to listen to my mentor's suggestions and advice. And Jenny, she is the gifted student. And that is only the clip video of my video. So in other parts, Jim and Jenny will pair up together, and I will try my best to let Jenny helps Jim to do some group work, and Jenny can extend her knowledge and ability, and Jim can be helped by Jenny. So maybe in the future, in other videos, I can show that kind of activity in my recordings. That is all. Yes. No, Miss Zhu, thanks for your suggestions, and you're right. I need to use more online tools to help the students. Although I have learned the IST course, but I'm not very familiar to these tools on the BBC. So I think I will develop that technique in the future. I want to ask more about the grammar part. Like Jenny, the gifted students, ask some questions that is beyond the lesson plan, and it's kind of hard for the other peers. So what's my correct response to the gift students if she or he asks any high level questions? I see. Thank you, Mrs. Zhu. Because in the traditional classroom, the teacher can just tell the answer to the gifted student privately. But now in the BBC, all the questions are the teacher's response are public. So yeah, you answer, tell me how to do that.